where are we going?
What? Wait, let me do that again.
Where are we going?
You put me on the spot. Hang on a second. We're gonna go see water.
Is it going to be dripping?
It's gonna be falling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Check this out. So Christy said she was going to take and show me a waterfall today. She did not, in fact, tell me that we were coming to a city park. She kind of had me fooled. Uh-oh. She did. She says, "Oh, Mom, let me go. Let's take you to see a waterfall today."
It's not dripping. It's water falling.
All right, there's my waterfall. That's really pretty, Christy.
I told you.
Thank you so much.
Still not to the highlight yet.
There's my family. This is really a pretty spot. Yep, we're in Vegas. Another side of Vegas. We're actually going into the playground
Did you have any doubt?
because I have my kids with me, so I have to go into the playground.
You're still in the shade.
My family. They're so fun. Are you happy now?
This is pterodactyl.
There's one there too. I thought that's what you were talking about. It had a weird foot.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even notice that when we walked in underneath.
Out of his jaw.
Very fun. Oh,
That one over there looks pretty cool too.
yeah. Look at that one.
Oh, I didn't see the babies.
Very cool. There's a lot to see here.
The Lulas.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh my God.
I'm being burned. Oh my god, it feels so cold-blooded. Wait. Crack.
Uh-oh, now I think Melissa's gonna... No, you're not gonna do it?
No.
Okay, I'll just grab a photo off the video. All right. Okay, family, what was this place called?
Discovery Park.
Yes, Discovery Park.
I
It
wanna
was
be part
kind
of
of
the
fun.
family.
It's a nice alternative to downtown Las Vegas, that's for sure.
Vegas is a family town.
Yes.